Alright everyone, just a quick update on the other B unit that I am building, which is called Frankenstein. We're getting closer to the finishing stages. It's all painted up and we got the decals on it. So the only thing left to do now is start installing some lights. I'm waiting on some more ditch lights, so get the numbers on it. And we got the numbers on the front end of the loco, along with the CN logo, and then of course in the back as well. And all the grab irons are back on. So all we got to do now is I'm going to get some yellow paint and shoot the sill yellow, the yellow striping, and of course mark all the stairs, the edges of the stairs with the yellow paint like it is on this other B unit here. So this is how this one's starting to look. It's coming together well. And then we can start bending up some handrails shortly for this one. Alright, that's it for the update on the Frankenstein build on the second B unit. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. You know the drill. Bye for now.